Hi, first grade. I hope everybody had a great Easter. One of my favorite things about Easter is the Easter egg hunt. When I was a kid, the Easter Bunny would come and I would love hunting Easter eggs. That was my favorite thing to do as a child. And then the day would go on, my grandparents would be there, and I would always ask my grandmother if she would hide the eggs because I loved the hunt. And so later in the day on Easter, after we'd eaten and everybody had hung out, I liked doing the hunt again and again and again. So we're going to do that after you've done your Easter egg hunt and now you have your plastic eggs. You and it takes someone else, a sibling, a neighbor, an adult, to go and hide the eggs again. And when you find the eggs, what I did is I made this Easter egg fitness. And so when I find a purple egg, I'm going to do 5 jumping jacks. When I find a pink egg, I'm going to do 10 mountain climbers. And when I find a blue egg, I'm going to do 3 spider ups. So my own children like to do an Easter egg hunt also. And sometimes it's fun to be the hunter, and sometimes it's fun to be the hider. So you get to do both things, but you can figure out your own version of this and have some fun with it. You be the hider, you be the hunter, pick your color eggs, and have some fun with the Easter egg fitness challenge.